As an alternative to the Mark II-2H, we also offer the Mark II-3 version, which produces a very similar scroll size and shape. Whilst the II-2H requires clear space around it when forming scrolls, the Mark II-3 uses a rotating capstan principle to draw the steel strip into the tool when forming a scroll. As a result, it is even easier to use, and where space is an issue, this has got to be the scroll former of choice. Forming a scroll is easy. With the segments opened out and the pressure roller in the correct starting position, place the end of the steel strip in the slot in the centre segment and lock it into place with the locking bar. Then all you have to do is to turn the handles. When complete, lift the segments to remove the scroll. The end result is a great-looking scroll that a blacksmith would be proud to have made, but in a fraction of the time and without any heat, power or effort. To make identical scrolls, use the magnetic markers on the segments to identify where a scroll's finish point is. The end result is consistent scrolls every time, and this is vital when making patterns and projects that feature repeated scrolls. When making scrolls out of different widths of steel, always remember to adjust the height of the guide ring on the pressure roller, as this helps to keep the scroll nice and flat. To work out how much material you need to make any scroll size on this or any of our scroll formers, you can use the scroll former template provided. Another great idea to make your metal crafting easy. The Mark II-3 former can also be supplied with an optional tube bending kit. This is an extra feature that can be very useful if you want to work with or shape round steel tube. To fit the components, you first remove the outer segment from the scroll former and then place the circular former onto the pivot pin and drop the inner segment on top and lock these together with the locking bar. Then simply drop the small concave roller onto the pressure roller and you are ready to bend the tube. Feed the tube into the aperture on the circular former and simply rotate to achieve a bend of up to 180 degrees.